Hello everybody, welcome to Learn English with Gaetana. If you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it right now. Thank you so much for joining me again. In this video, we are going to talk about a yes or no question which always causes a big problem. ዛሬ በእንግሊዘኛ በጣም ትልቅ ችግር የምትፈጥረውን የየስ ኦር ኖ question አይነት እንመለከታለን። However, first of all, let's discuss what yes or no questions are. As you probably know, yes or no questions are sentences that can be answered with either yes or no. በእንግሊዘኛ yes ወይንም no ብለን የምንመልሳቸው የጥያቄ አይነቶች ምን ይባላሉ? yes or no questions ይባላሉ። Sometimes yes or no questions are known as closed-ended questions. አንዳንድ ጊዜ yes or no questions ምን ይባላሉ? closed-ended questions ይባላሉ። All right. Let's say some example sentences. Number 1. Are you a student? What is the possible answer of this yes or no question? Either yes I am or no I am not. So are you a student is a yes or no question. Do you like chocolate? What is the possible answer of this yes or no question? It is either yes I do or no I don't. So do you like chocolate is a yes or no question. And finally, have you ever been to the US? What is the possible answer of this question? Yes, I have or no, I haven't. So, have you ever been to the US is a yes or no question. ስለዚህ yes or no questions የሚባሉት ምን አይነት ጥያቄዎች ናቸው ማለት ነው? yes ወይንም no ብለን የምንመልሳቸው የጥያቄ አይነቶች ምን ይባላሉ? yes or no questions ይባላሉ። Okay, now let's talk about answering yes or no questions positively and negatively. አሁን ደግሞ የምናወራው yes or no ጥያቄዎችን አዎንታዊ ወይንም አሉታዊ በሆነ መልኩ እንዴት መመለስ እንችላለን የሚለውን እናወራለን። All right, so if you want to answer yes or no questions positively, you have to use the following structure. Yes or no ጥያቄዎችን አዎንታዊ በሆነ መልኩ ለመመለስ ከፈለጋችሁ የሚከተለውን ስትራክቸር ትጠቀማላችሁ። Firstly, there must be yes, comma, subject plus an auxiliary verb. So, always if you want to answer yes or no questions positively, you have to use this structure. However, if you want to answer yes or no questions negatively, use the following structure. What is that? No, comma, subject plus auxiliary verb plus not. ምንጊዜም አንድን yes or no question negatively መመለስ ከፈለጋችሁ መጀመሪያ no መምጣት አለበት። ከዛ ኮማ፣ ከዛ subject፣ ከዛ ረዳት ግስ፣ ከዛ not መምጣት አለበት። ኖን ተጠቅማችሁ መጀመሪያ ላይ ከረዳት ግሱ ቀጥሎ ኖትን ካልተጠቀማችሁ that is not correct. ያ ስህተት ነው፣ ትክክል አይደለም። Now let's talk about that tricky yes or no question that always causes problem. አሁን ደግሞ በጣም የምትሸውደንን yes or no question እናወራለን። What is that yes or no question? That yes or no question is a do you mind yes or no question. Actually, this name is coined by me. Do you mind yes or no question ያልኩት እኔ ራሴ ነኝ። እሺ አላነበብኩም ኮምፕሌት እኔ ራሴ ነኝ። ግን do you mind yes or no question? Do you mind yes or no questions always cause problems, especially when we answer do you mind yes or no questions, we make mistakes. Okay, ስህተቶችን እንሰራለን። Firstly, let's talk about the most important verb that is used while writing do you mind yes or no questions. What is that verb? Mind. In do you mind yes or no questions, mind is important because always the verb mind is followed by a gerund. What is a gerund? A gerund is verbal noun which is followed by ing. ምንጊዜም ማይንድ የምትለው ግስ የምታስከትለው ቃል ምን ይባላል? gerund ይባላል። Always after mind there must be a gerund. For example, do you mind cleaning? Do you mind washing? Do you mind helping? etc. So what do you understand from the above three structures? Always the verb mind must be followed by a gerund. However, the following mind structures are not correct. Number 1, do you mind clean? This is not correct. Number 2, do you mind wash? This is not correct too. Number 3, do you mind help? This is not correct too. ሶስቱም የነገርኳችሁ ትክክል አይደለም። ለምንድን? ከማይንድ ቀጥሎ ምን ስላልመጣ? gerund ስላልመጣ ማለት ነው። Okay, so now let's talk about answering do you mind yes or no questions. አሁን ደግሞ do you mind yes or no questionsን እንዴት አድርገን እንመልሳለን? How can we answer do you mind yes or no questions positively and negatively? Look guys, do you mind yes or no questions are answered positively by using the following structure. Do you mind yes or no questions አዎንታዊ መልስ ለመስጠት ከፈለጋችሁ የሚከተለውን ስትራክቸር ነው የምትጠቀሙት። በጣም ዊርድ ነው፣ የተለየ ነው። ያም ስትራክቸር ምንድነው? no, subject plus auxiliary verb plus not. So always if you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions positively, you have to use no at the beginning. Okay? ሁልጊዜ መጠቀም ያለባችሁ ምንድነው? no ነው። አዎንታዊ በሆነ ነገር ለመመለስ ካስፈለገ do you mind yes or no questionsን no ነው መጠቀም ያለብን። yesን አንጠቀም። do you mind ብለህ ወይንም ብለሽ ከዛ አዎንታዊ መመለስ ከፈለግሽ ወይንም ከፈለክ no, subject plus auxiliary verb plus not ነው መጠቀም ያለባችሁ። In addition to that, if you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions negatively, you have to use yes, subject plus an auxiliary verb. It is weird, isn't it? ለየት ያለ ነው አይደለ? ለዛም ነው በቪዲዮአችን መጀመሪያ ላይ አብዛኞቻችን ስንመልስ የምንሳሳታት የየስ ኦር ኖ question አይነት ብዬ ነገርኳችሁ። So whenever you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions positively, you have to use no. But if you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions negatively, you have to use yes. ስለዚህ ምን ጊዜም do you mind yes or no questionsን ፖዚቲቭሊ መመለስ ከፈለጋችሁ ኖ ነው መጠቀም ያለባችሁ። ኖ do you mind ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ቅር ይልሃል ነው አይደለ? ቅር ይልሃል፣ በሩን ብትከፍትልኝ ቅር ይልሃል? አዎ yes ካልክ ቅር ይልሃል ማለት ነው። ኔጌቲቭ ሪስፖንስ ነው። በሩን ብትከፍትልኝ ቅር ይልሃል? ኖ ካልክ አይለኝም ካልክ ፖዚቲቭ ሪስፖንስ ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህም እንረዳለን ምን ጊዜም do you mind yes or no questions are answered positively by using no. On the other hand, if you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions negatively, you have to use yes. Okay, now let's see some example sentences. እስኪ አሁን ሶስት ምሳሌዎችን እንመልከት። The first one is do you mind making my bed? This is a do you mind yes or no question. So if you want to answer this do you mind yes or no question positively, you have to say no, I don't. Okay? አልጋዬን ብታነጥፍልኝ ቅር ይልሃል? ቅር የማይልህ ከሆነ ወይንም ቅር የማይልሽ ከሆነ ወይንም ቅር የማይላችሁ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? no, I don't ትላላችሁ። ነገር ግን ኔጌቲቭሊ መመለስ ከፈለጋችሁ ምን እንደምትሉት yes, I do. አልጋዬን ብታነጥፍልኝ ቅር ይልሃል? አዎ። ያ ማለት አላነጥፍልህም ወይንም አላነጥፍልሽም ወይንም አላነጥፍላችሁም ማለት ነው። Have you got me? All right. Let's move on to the next example sentence. The next one is, do you mind carrying my bag? ቦርሳዬን ብትሸከምልኝ ቅር ይልሃል ነው። ፖዚቲቭሊ መመለስ ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? No, I don't. However, if you want to answer this do you mind yes or no question negatively, you have to say yes, I do. ቦርሳዬን ብትሸከምልኝ ቅር ይልሃል? አይለኝም። ያ ማለት ፖዚቲቭ ሪስፖንስ አይደለ? ስለዚህ ምን ትላላችሁ? No, I don't. ቅርስ ካለስ ወይንም ቅር ካለሽ ኔጌቲቭ ነው አይደለ? ምን ትላላችሁ? Yes, I do. And the last one is, do you mind bringing me my laptop? If you do mind, you can say yes, I do. That means yes, I do is a negative response. On the other hand, if you don't mind bringing me my laptop or my computer, you can say no, I don't. ነገር ግን ኮምፒውተሬን ማምጣት ቅር የሚያላችሁ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው? No, I don't ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, let me review some important points about this lesson. If you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions positively, you have to use no. But if you want to answer do you mind yes or no questions negatively, you have to use yes. Now it's your turn. I am going to ask you a do you mind yes or no question, and then you are going to answer it positively and negatively. But don't forget to write your answer in the comment section below. What is that question? መልሳችሁን comment section ላይ ጻፉልኝ። Do you mind doing my assignment? What is the positive response of this do you mind yes or no question? Write it in the comment section below. In addition, how do you answer this do you mind yes or no question negatively? ባሉታዊ እንዴት ብላችሁ ነው የምትመልሱት? ይሄንን do you mind yes or no question comment section ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። Okay, so that is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, don't forget to write it down in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.